does look nice, doesn't it?
Excellent. It's a perfect color red for a little boat like this too.
Yeah.
Really bold, really bright.
I'm going. Oh, it's pretty. What is it? Is it a boat? Is it like?
Oh, no way.
Wait, how do you open this?
Okay, now.
Now that's Leonard's exchange gift from Michelle.
It is a boat.
It is.
Oh my God, that is awesome! So cool. Holy moly, Dad! Oh my
those look
God,
awesome.
Dad, that's freaking awesome!
Pick up the back. So
Wow.
you can see the back end.
Dad, that is like professional grade. Look, oh my God, Dad, that's awesome!
What do you think, huh?
Where did you buy this at?
I didn't.
We got the car, or the
Back end goes in last.
rowboat has a
Nose goes in first.
the same color as the boat.
Dad, that's so
So,
cool!
Miss
I had
Taylor's is blue and it says Miss.
Oh, what is it? What is it, Taylor? What'd you get?
What is it?
Look at those.
What is it, Kadence?
Oh, wow. Cool, what's in it? You can sit in it. Or does it hurt the bottom of it?
No. You want to sit in there? Chair.
Oh, nice.
This guy climbing in.
All right. Sit down in your chair.
You gonna get in there?
Sit down in your chair. Wow. Thank you. Awesome. You know what to do.
Alright.
Woohoo!
Yay.
We got a
You
boat.
push them out and hold on here. And hold on right here.
Good job, you guys.
Come on here.
All
And now
right.
you do circles.
We got a boat, Miss T.
Wow, huh?
You gotta leave it in there or in the water. That's for the water, big dude.
That's a boat,
Look at
Scout.
Kadence is a natural.
She is a natural.
Orin already.
Cadence.
Cadence is a natural. She's got it going on.
There you go.
Look at Cadence is a natural, man. She's rolling away.
So is Taylor.
Cadence.
I gotta get Scout.
Is that awesome or what?
They're perfect size, huh?
This goes in the water. It's so low.
Good job.
You can't do it right now because it's too cold. Like this. This is Whoa. Wow. Cadence is really good.
Dora fishing pole. Your Dora fishing pole.
Scout, where'd you get it? She's ready to launch.
She is a natural oar, that girl.
Hey, look. And when you're on the water, you'll be safe and sound in your life jacket.
And you got fishing poles.